Hi, and welcome to Premier Literacy's tutorial on eText Reader. In this video, we're going to show you a little bit of the translation that's built into eText Reader. Now, in the Canadian version, you'll be able to go to Settings. You can pick Language and switch it from English to French. And you see now the interface has become French. So this could be very useful for anyone who's trying to learn French or anyone who has French as a first language. We can switch it right back by going back to the same setting, switching it back to English. If we'd like to translate an entire document, we can go up to Translate and hit that option for Translate. So currently it's set to translate from English into French. I'm going to hit this drop down here, and you'll see we've actually got many different languages that we can translate to and from. We can do English to Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, and German. I'm going to translate to French for this example. So I'm going to go ahead and select that and then hit the Translate button. You'll see as it's working, it does break it down sentence by sentence, and you see the translations. But this is just the processing, and when it's done, we'll get the entire translated document on a new screen. I'm just going to fast forward here through the translation. So as our translation finishes, we see the new window pop up, and if we maximize this, we've got our entire document translated into French. So if we read this with the default voice, we're probably going to notice that it doesn't sound quite as authentic as we'd wish. I'll give you a demonstration of that. For the Read tab, click the Read button.
Unassociative inclusive. Utilisations pratiques pour la conception universelle. Par le Dr. Steve Titter.
So you hear that though the words are correct, they're being spoken with kind of an English accent. If I go to Voices.
This is Kepstrel David. This is Kepstrel David.
Currently I have the Kepstrel Voices pack installed with Kepstrel Jean-Pierre, and that's a French-speaking voice. If I select that.
This is Kepstrel Jean-Pierre.
So when we switch it to the French voice, and then disable the advanced reading options and auto-identify before reading, click OK.
Voici Kepstrel Jean-Pierre.
And then when we read, it's going to sound much more authentic.
Une société inclusive. Utilisation pratique pour la conception universelle. Par le Dr. Steve Timmins, mars 2007. Il s'agit d'une présentation de 2 jours divisée en 4 demi-journées segments chaque.
So you hear it now, all the words are being pronounced with the proper French accent. I'll show you one more thing here. I click back. If I want to translate just a single word, I can go to Settings, and if I look here, I have double-click word to translate. It's got a check by it. If not, turn that on. And when you double-click a word,
French equivalent force anglais joueur présentation liste présentation
gives you the translation for it. And that's going to use whatever language you've already set up here in the Translate menu. So that concludes our tutorial on the translation feature in eText Reader. Be sure to view all the videos in the series and visit our website, which is www.readingmadeeasy.com. Thanks for watching.